In this quick tutorial, you will learn how to download a Python program from GitHub and upload them to the Jupyter Notebook. First, go to the Git repository and browse the script you need. Once you locate the script, click the Raw button. Right-click on the page and select Save As. Save the file with .ipynb extension. After that, go to your JBook work directory and click Upload. Choose the file you just saved and click the Upload button. That's it. You can now edit and run the script. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel.